Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this extremely creamy and very yummy caramel butter. With only 5 ingredients and taking only a couple of minutes to prepare, you'll have it whipped up in no time. Into a food processor we're going to add in the dates, the vanilla, the milk, the almond butter, and a pinch of salt. Then give that a good blitz until all the dates are broken down and everything is well combined and the mixture becomes nice and creamy. Scrape down the sides as you need to and just check the consistency, and if you feel it's a little bit too thick you can add a few more tablespoons of milk. Then give it one final mix to combine. Once you have your desired consistency, then it's ready to serve. Now it's great for dipping in apples and strawberries, or I like to place it on some sourdough with a few slices of apple, then top it off with some crushed up walnuts. Yummo! It's so creamy and sweet, it's absolutely delicious. Well, I hope you really enjoyed that recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye!